Before we move to the second exercise, see what is the heading and which are the important points which will help you to solve the examples. Exercise 2.2 comes under the heading zeros of a polynomial. When we will solve the sums, we will come to know actual what is the meaning of zeros of polynomial. But see what are the points, okay, in this. Number 1, the zeros of the polynomial p of x are the solutions of the equation p of x is equal to 0. P of x means polynomial of x, which is equal to 0. The number of zeros of a polynomial can be more than 1. So here number of zeros means values can be more than 1. A linear polynomial has one and only one zero. A linear polynomial has one and only one zero. When we will solve the examples, okay, I will explain the meaning of all the sums. The zero of the polynomial may be 0. The zero of the polynomial may be 0. And fifth point, it is not necessary that the zero of polynomial is 0. What is the fifth point? It is not necessary that the zero of the polynomial is 0. Now we will begin with exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 begins. Example number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at number 1, x is equal to 0. Number 2, x is equal to minus 1. Number 3, x is equal to 2. What is the meaning of this sum? This is the polynomial, right? We have to place the values of x is equal to 0 in this expression. We'll get the value. Then in the second bit, again, take p of x. Place the value of x is equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. We'll get value. Again, take this polynomial. What is the value of third bit? X is equal to 2. Place the value of x in this polynomial. We'll get the value. That is the meaning of value. I will solve, okay? P of x. P of x. Polynomial of x. What is p of x? 5x minus 4x square plus 3. This is p of x. But what is the value of x which you have to put in p of x? Put x is equal to 0 because the first bit, okay, the value of x is 0. So I'll put x is equal to 0 in this p of x. Okay, it becomes, right, p of 0 because what is the value of x? 0. So x becomes 0. 5x means 5 into 0. We are placing, okay, the value of x as 0 minus 4x square means 4 into x square into, but what is x? 0. So it becomes 0 square plus 3 is equal to 5 into 0 is 0 minus 0 square is 0. 0 into 4 is 0 plus 3. So what is the answer? 3. So when value of x is equal to 0 is placed in p of x, okay, what is p of x? 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then after doing the calculation, we get the value, okay, as 3. Now, I'll put the same, p of x is same. Values of x are different. Here, put in second part, okay, p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Put x is equal to, what is the value of x in second bit? Minus 1. Now we have to take minus 1. So it becomes p of minus 1 is equal to 5x means 5 into minus 1. 5x means 5 into x. What is the value of x? Minus 1. So it becomes 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into x square. X square means minus 1 square because value of x is minus 1 plus 3. So it becomes 5 into minus 1 minus 5. First I will take the square of minus 1. Square of any negative number. Square of any negative number is always positive. So what is square of minus 1? Plus 1, right? Square of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, and this is plus 3. So it is minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So this way, okay, we find the value of the polynomial. Now you go for the third bit. Okay? P of x is same because equation is same for all the three values. Put P of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, what is the value of x? 2. So I'll put x is equal to 2. So it becomes P of 2 is equal to 5x means 5 into 2 because 5x means 5 into x. So value of x is 2 minus 4 into 2 square because x is 2. So it becomes 2 square plus 3, right, is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 2 square is 4. What is 2 square? 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Again I am repeating, okay, how I got 16. First you take the square of 2. 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16. Right? What is 10 minus 16? Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to. Understood why minus 6 has come? 10 minus 16 minus 6 because 16 number is greater and the sign is negative. So it becomes minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Don't write minus 6 plus 3 as minus 9. That is wrong. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So this is the way to find the value of the polynomial. Second example, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. There are 4 to 5 examples, okay? In this example, I will solve first 2 and then the next 2. First I will take the first P of 5 is y square minus y plus 1. For this P of 5, we have to find three values, P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So I will write here first term. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Put y is equal to 0 because we have to find P of 0. So here value of y will be 0. So it becomes P of 0 is equal to y square means 0 square minus y. What is value of y? 0 plus 1. So P of 0 is equal to 1 because 0 square is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. What is left? Only 1. 1 is left. Now again I will write, okay, same polynomial P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. For this polynomial, now what is the value of P? 1. After 0, see the value of P is 1. I will write here, substitute y is equal to 1. It becomes P of 1. Why instead of y I have written 1? Because you have to find the value of P of 1 is equal to y square means 1 square because value of y is 1 minus 1 plus 1 because y is 1 is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1, right? So P of 1 is equal to this 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, right? 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. What is left? Only 1. 1 is left. Now again one more value is left, that is P of 2. So I will solve here, right? P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Substitute SUB. I am writing short form. Substitute. SUB means substitute. What is the value of here y? Y is equal to 2. P of y means polynomial of, okay, 2. So here value of y is 2. So it becomes P of 2 because value of y is 2 is equal to y square means 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Why 2? Because value of y is 2. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. So P of 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1. So P of 2 is equal to 3. Right? So for first polynomial, we have placed how many values? 3. First P of 0, then P of 1 and then P of 2. So this is the way to find P of y for these values. Now I will go for example number 2. What is example number 2? P of t is equal to 2t, right? 2 plus t, okay? Plus 2t square minus t cube. Again I repeat, P of t is 2, this is plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. First I will take substitute, okay? T is equal to 0. Whatever the first value is 0. If I place the value of t is equal to 0, it becomes P of 0 is equal to 2 plus, what is t? 0 plus 2t square means 2 into t square, 2 into 0 square minus t cube means 0 cube. P of 0 is equal to 2 plus 0, 0 square is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 cube is 0. So P of 0 is equal to 2. P of 0 is equal to 2. Right? Now, I'll place the value of t as what? 1. I'll rub this and then I'll write here. Okay? Substitute. Sum is same only. Substitute t is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. P of 1. Because value of t is 1, so it becomes P of 1. 2 plus, this is t means 1, plus 2t square means 2 into 1 square minus t cube means 1 cube. It's very easy, you just have to place the values and you have to be very careful with your basic operations. Basic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 2 plus 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 4. Right? Now, we'll place the value of t as 2 in this only. Polynomial is same. What is the polynomial? P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Substitute t is equal to 2. So it becomes P of 2 is equal to, right, 2 plus, what is this t? 2 plus 2t square means 2 into t square. What is value of t? 2. 2 into 2 square minus t cube means 2 cube. Right? P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 cube is 8. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2 into 2? 8. This 8 and minus 8 gets cancelled. P of 2 is equal to 4. So this is the value for P of t. Third sum is P of x is equal to x cube. Substitute x is equal to, what is the value of x here? 0. In all the bits, we have to take values of x as first 0, then second 1 and third time 2. So first I will take x is equal to 0. We are talking about bit 3. Right? So it becomes P of 0 is equal to x cube means 0 cube, right? P of x is equal to x cube. What is value of x? 0. So it becomes wherever x is coming, value of x will be 0. is equal to x cube means 0 cube. What is 0 cube? 0. 0 cube is 0. Now I will write substitute x is equal to, what is the second value? 1. X is equal to 1. Where? In this polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube. Right? P of x is equal to x cube. P of, what is value of x? 1 is equal to x cube means 1 cube. So P of 1 is equal to 1 cube is 1. Don't write 3. Okay? 1 cube is 1. Done. Now take, okay, again P of x. This is the second bit is done. P of x is equal to x cube. Now what is the last value? 2. I'll write here. Substitute x is equal to 2. Right? Substitute x is equal to 2. So it becomes P of, what is x? 2 is equal to x cube. But what is x? 2. 2 cube. So what is P of 2? 2 cube is 8. Because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Done? This was the third example. Now we'll go on the last sum of example number or question number 2. I hope okay you have understood. It's very easy. You just have to place the correct values and do the basic operation. Here, okay, most of the things are basic operations only. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Substitute x is equal to 0 because the first value is 0. So it becomes P of 0 is equal to x minus 1 means 0 minus 1 into x plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is equal to, what is 0 minus 1? Minus 1 into 0 plus 1 is 1. What is minus 1 into plus 1? Minus 1. So what is P of 0? Minus 1. Right? Now I'll put value of x as 2. I'll rub this. For second part, okay, because we have to find for 3 values 0, 1 and 2. I will write here substitute x is equal to 1. Where we have to substitute x is equal to 1? In this polynomial P of, okay, 1. P of x means P of 1 is equal to x minus 1 means 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 means 1 plus 1. Because value of x is 1 here. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 into 1 plus 1 is 2. What is 0 into 2? 0. Don't write 2. Right? So this is the value of P of 1. Now, what is the last value which you have to put in this polynomial? 2. So I will rub this, okay, and I will write here. Substitute x is equal to 0. It becomes, x is equal to 2, not 0, okay. X is equal to 2. So it becomes P of 2 is equal to x minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into, what is other bracket? X plus 1 means 2 plus 1. P of 2 is equal to, what is 2 minus 1? 1 into, what is 2 plus 1? 3. So P of 2 is equal to 3 ones are 3. So this is the method, okay, to find the values of P of 1, P of 0 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. It's okay now? We'll see now question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. First sum is P of x is equal to 3x plus 1, where x is equal to minus 1 by 3. I'll explain the meaning of this sum. Verify whether the following are zeros. Means this is the polynomial P of x. Whatever okay it is, this is the polynomial. You have to place this value of x in the polynomial. Again I repeat, you have to place this value of x in the given polynomial. After placing the value, and doing basic operation. Doing basic operation means doing all the basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, depends on the sum. Whatever answer we get, okay, if remainder is 0, then, okay, the polynomial, okay, is of 0. Otherwise, it is of no 0. Let's see. What is the value of x here? Minus 1 by 3. And p of x is 3x plus 1. What I will do now, I will place the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So it becomes, okay, p of x is equal to 3 into 3x means 3 into x. What is the value of x? Minus 1 by 3. 3x means 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. This plus 1 as it is 3, and this 3 gets cancelled because it is multiplication here. So this gets cancelled. P of x is equal to, what is left? Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be the answer? Yes. Why I am writing yes? Because as I said, in this polynomial, whatever value is given of x, after placing it and at the end if remainder is 0, then as per the question we have to write yes, because the question is check, verify whether the following are zeros. Whether means it may be, it may not be. So when the answer is 0, answer is yes. Otherwise it is no. Second sum is p of x is equal to 5x minus pi. This is pi. Okay, and pi is an irrational number where x is equal to 4 upon 5. So I will write here, okay, p of x is equal to 5x means 5 into x. 5 into x. But what is value of x? 4 upon 5 minus pi. 5 gets cancelled. P of x is equal to 4 minus pi. We can keep okay pi as it is. Otherwise the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. And if the value of pi is not given, always take value of pi as 22 upon 7. But even if you keep this answer this way, still it is 100% correct. Now we'll go on the third sum. I'll grab this. Third sum is p of x is equal to x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1, comma, minus 1. Means we have to solve this sum 2 times. First time by taking the value of x is equal to 1, and again you have to solve this, okay, again by taking the value of x as minus 1. So I will take, okay, first I will write as it is, p of x is equal to x square minus 1. Substitute x is equal to 1. SUB, this is short form, but the meaning is substitute. X is equal to 1, where? Here. So it becomes p of x is equal to 1 square minus 1 is equal to, what is 1 square? 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the answer? Yes. Why yes? See the question. Verify whether the following are zeros. So after solving, if remainder is 0, then you have to write yes. Now again I will write p of x is equal to x square minus 1. Here substitute x is equal to minus 1, because 2 times you have to take the values. First 1 and then minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So it becomes p of x is equal to x square means minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to, minus 1 square is what? 1, because square of any negative number is always positive. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Answer is yes. Fourth sum is p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2, where x is equal to minus 1 comma 2 means you have to take values of x 2 times. First time you have to take the value of x as -1, and again after writing p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2, you have to put the value of x as 2. I will take here, substitute, right? Or in solution again I will write this question, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Substitute x is equal to -1. So p of x becomes p of what? -1. In the previous 3 sums what I have done, I have not written here okay the value of x, right? Just to make you understand. But keep in mind you have tried okay whatever value is given of x, you have tried that in the bracket. Is it clear? P of -1 is equal to x means what? -1 plus 1. I am placing the value okay here. X is -1 plus 1 into -1 because value of x is -1 -2. P of -1 is equal to -1 plus 1 0 into -1 minus 2 is -3. So P of -1 is equal to 0. So what is the answer? Yes. What is the answer? Yes. Now I'll put the value of x is equal to 2. Again I will write here P of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 here. So it becomes P of 2. P of 2 is equal to x plus 1 means 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 means 2 minus 2 because value of x is 2. So P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 3 into 2 minus 2 is 0. So P of 2 is equal to 3 into 0 is 0. What is the answer? Yes. What is the answer? Yes. Clear? Now I will solve the fifth sum. Sum P of x is equal to x square where x is equal to 0. This is the sum, fifth sum. P of x is equal to x square where x is equal to 0. I will write here P of x is equal to x square. Substitute x is equal to 0. So it becomes what? P of 0 is equal to x square means 0 square. So P of 0 is equal to 0. What should be the answer? Yes. Sixth sum is P of x is equal to Lx plus m where x is equal to minus m by L. So I will write here. Okay. P of x is equal to Lx plus m. But what is the value of x? Minus m by L. So it becomes P of minus m upon L is equal to Lx means L into x. L into what is the value of x? Minus m upon L plus m. This gets cancelled. P of minus m by L is equal to minus m plus m. So P of minus m by L is equal to 0. What is the answer? Yes. The answer is yes because remainder is 0. That is why yes. This was sixth sum. Now we will see seventh sum. I'll drop this and then I'll write the seventh sum. Okay. Seventh sum. What is seventh sum? P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 where the values are given of x, which is the first value. X is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and the next value is 2 upon root 3. So I will take here P of first value of x is what? Minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to 3x square means 3 into minus 1 upon root 3 whole square minus 1. Why I have taken square because the value of x is minus 1 by root 3 and it is square. So it is p of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into. This is into. If there is no sign between two terms, means it is always multiplication. Now we'll square the bracket. What is square of minus 1? It is plus 1 because square of any negative number is always positive upon. What is square of root 3? That is 3 minus 1. How? Okay, I will tell you. See, root 3 square. Root 3 square means what? Root 3 into root 3. Because you have to multiply, okay, root 3 two times. Root 3 into root 3 is what? Square root of 9. What is square root of 9? 3. Is it clear how root 3 square is 3? Now 3 gets cancelled is equal to 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. So what is the answer here? Yes. Answer is yes. Clear? Now I will place 2 by root 3 as the value of x. Here only. Okay? 2 by root 3. X is equal to 2 by root 3 means substitute. Right? So it becomes p of 2 upon root 3 is equal to, I will place this value to 2 by root 3 in 3x square minus 1. 3 into x square is what? 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So p of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 square is 4, right? And this root 3 square is 3 minus 1. Again I am telling you, okay, square of root 3 is 3 because root 3 into root 3 is 9. And what is square root of 9? 3. That is why root 3 square is 3. 3 gets cancelled. P of 2 by root 3 is equal to, what is left here? 4 minus 1. P of 2 by root 3 is equal to, what is left? 3. So answer will be no. What is the reason? Because remainder is not 0. Clear? The last sum of question number 3. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1 where x is equal to 1 by 2. Right? I will write here again. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. P of, what is the value of x? So it becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 2x means 2 into x. What is the value of x? 1 by 2 plus 1. This 2 gets cancelled. P of 1 by 2 is equal to, what is left here? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is no. Why? Remainder is not 0.